Hi there, I'm out here. It's summer, it's hot. Today we're going to do a quick yoga flow, 10 minutes with results. Let's start as it is so hot. Get onto your mat, on your tummy. This is not for beginners. You have to know a little bit about yoga for the following 10 minutes. And bring your hands next to your rib cage. Close your armpits, tuck the toes, squeeze your knees, and we're going to push up in a straight line into plank. Engage your core, and we start pushing into plank. Hold the plank. Tuck the tummy in, squeeze the bum. Exhale into down dog, chest through the arms, heels down to the floor. We're going to strike through. You can put your knees down. If it's too intense for you, strike through into up dog. And close the armpits, strike through into up dog. And we're going to go back into down dog. And again, exhale, strike through, up dog, back into down dog. Exhale, strong arms into 8-point salute, knees, chest, chin at the same time. Control it to the floor. Bum up in the air. And then slide flat. And come into baby cobra or full cobra. Head up, shoulders are not up, shoulders are down. Exhale, come back down, and we go back into down dog. Use your core, don't use your back. Back into down dog, and we hold the dog. And we're going to bring the left foot forward for high lunge. Left foot forward, stay up, strong legs, hands in namaste. Exhale, we're going to twist to the left. You can twist a little bit, or you can try and hook the elbow. Keep your hands in the center, in the center of the chest. And back to the center. Bring your hands to the floor, and we're going to go immediately into lizard, bringing your elbows to the floor. Back leg is straight. And come back onto your hands. We're going to change legs in down dog. Left leg back into down dog. And exhale, right foot forward, high lunge, strong legs, engage your core. Hands in the center of the chest. Exhale, twist to the right, do the same as you did on the other side. And come to the center, hands to the floor, and we bring the elbows to the floor for lizard. And come back onto your hands. And we take the right leg back into down dog. And we bring the left foot forward for equestrian. In between the hands, back knee down, untuck the toes, push your pelvis forward. Hold it. Keep your legs, bring the torso up, and exhale, we bend to the right, right hand to the floor, left arm over the head. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Inhale up and hands to the floor and back into down dog. And other side, right leg forward, equestrian, back knee down, untuck the toes, push your pelvis down and forward. Inhale, lift the torso, keep the legs. Exhale, we bend to the left, right arm comes over. Inhale up, exhale to the other side. Inhale up, hands to the floor, back into down dog. And it is so hot in the sun. I would say do not do this in the sun, rather indoors or under the shade. And we're going to go into plank. Lower the buttocks, bring your shoulders over the wrists. And we're going to go into chaturanga, chatta, and then up dog. So strong arms, engage your core. Please do not use your back. Come into chatta, roll over the toes, and up into up dog. Exhale, back into down dog. And we're going to do 3 more. Plank, over toes, chatta, up dog, down dog, plank, over toes, chatta, up dog, down dog, stay in down dog. And we come back into plank. And you're going to lower yourself all the way down to the floor with chatta. Very slowly over the toes. Slowly come down. All the way. And release. In Ardhasana, stretch your arms forward. Forehead on the floor. Inhale, lift your head, roll onto your side, and use your top hand to push yourself up. Tip of the day. Don't do yoga in the heat. No, it's nice when it's hot, but directly in the sun like this, it's not ideal. It makes you extremely dehydrated and tired. I'm just trying to make some videos for you guys, and this is the time I have available. Now, the tip of the day is the core. If you do something like we just did, it's so important that your core is not only strong, but also the connection between your core and your brain is there, and you know which muscles to pull when you transition, when you change. If you don't have that connection between the muscles, the core, and the mind, then you're going to use your back muscles, and your back is going to hurt, your lower back, and you're going to blame the yoga. And it's not the yoga. Even if you have an extremely strong core, if you're not familiar with the transitions and the poses, your body is just going to take over and do what it can. And you're going to hurt yourself. So please, if your core is not strong enough, make sure you increase the strength of your core and make sure you are familiar with the poses. Don't just wing it. Because winging it is, unfortunately, it's going to target your lower back. Okay. And that's the tip of the day. Core, core, core. I hope you enjoyed this 10 minutes. It was fast and furious. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. And if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. And if you're new here and you like this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button